Hey folks, what's up? Today we're here in, well, the Irish in me wants to say Kissena. I don't know if it's Kissena or Kissena Park out in Flushing. I left the house this morning with blue skies, got off the train, and shock grey skies. I've never been here before. Saw it on maps and thought I'd come check it out. So I've literally just walked into the park and just going to stroll around, see what we can find. See, there's some lots of cool trees happening. But as it has been so often lately, I'm just dealing with grey skies whenever I come out. Don't want to sound like a moan bag, but it's just, it's just frustrating when there is zero light happening. Yeah. So it's like, what time now? It's 3:30 now, so maybe I get a break in the clouds, get some light happening. We'll just see what happens. Stick around, I'll check back in later on. Alright folks, laters. I'm loving these trees that are happening up here, but of course with quality they had some fog and mist. Oh, there's a bit of sunlight coming through. As you can see, it's quite pretty here. The sky's opened up a little bit. All right, folks, I've cracked out the big guns, 24 to 105. I figured, seeing as I'm in this area now, maybe some wildlife at least. It's a pity this willow tree wasn't in bloom. Would be nice. I've been walking around here in this little wooded area for a while now. Oh, crazy wind. Don't even know if you can hear me right now, but guys, been walking around trying to get a few shots. Got a couple, but I kind of have a feeling that today is not going to be anything fantastic. But they always say that's okay because I'm out here and I'm doing it, Just spin you around here very badly. What do you reckon though? It's probably definitely better a summertime spot. Onward. Saw some nice lichens here. I love me a bit of lichen. Got some shots. Then I was over here. I just thought this was kind of interesting. Shot downward. In the middle of this tree branch split. I'll show you there now. Heading back to the water area now. This park is much bigger than I thought it was, to be fair. And of course, now I'm thinking I should have gotten my ass out of bed earlier. So yeah, I think I'll head back to the lake and have my sandwich. Wait around and see if anything happens for sunrise. And yeah. It's really nice here, gotta say. I much prefer the Central Park, or at least the areas I've been in Central Park. Still quite messy, and a lot of clutter in your shots and stuff, but definitely not as bad. It's windy. I'm not even sure if any of this is being picked up, but I guess I'll find out later on. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed it somewhat, even if the shots weren't stellar.